Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Bullymake Box. If you're not familiar with this subscription is for dogs that love to chew. Now, I've unboxed this on my channel a billion times, but if you haven't seen them, hey, welcome to my channel. These are for dogs that love to chew, like I said. The coolest thing is that all of the treats in here are grain-free, so if your dog has sensitivities, this is a great option for you. Another really cool thing is that they have a guarantee on their toys. So if you get the toy and your dog chews it up within 14 days of receiving it, they'll send you another one, a replacement, which is really cool for dogs that do, chew a lot, because they do exist, we all know. Boxes are $39. I do have a $5 off coupon code. I'll put that down below. I'll also link to Bullymake. I will link to my full review on my blog as well. These are, I know we're in February. This is December and January's boxes. We're going to do these together. I'm catching up. I'm trying really hard. All right, so let's do, this is January. Let's do December 1st because it's the Christmas box. The themes of the boxes are always super cute. So you can see it says the December box. And then the featured toys are here. In our December box, we have the Bullymake Star Bites. This is a 4.5 ounce bag, and these are little star-shaped treats. I can feel the star shape in there. These are made with salmon. There's some chickpea flour, salmon oil, alfalfa for color, so I'm guessing they're green. So there's that. And then there is on the back like a guaranteed analysis, ingredients, serving size, and all that stuff on the back. Okay, and then there's bacon badges, another star-shaped treat. This is also 4.5 ounces. These have bacon, pork, bacon fat, and then a smoke flavor. And then there's also the analysis on the back of this. I love how the packages are different each month. They're very cute. Then we have finally for a treat. So there's 3 bags of treats in each box, typically. I mean, almost always. This is a 3.75 ounce bag. This is the duck sausage. So this has duck, turkey, rosemary extract, and smoke flavoring to give your dog something tasty to treat itself. Whatever. All right, our nylon toy. These are all the toys are made, sourced, and created here in the United States. The nylon is a super durable plastic. This is shaped like a Christmas ornament. There are ridges all over it to kind of give your dog interest to chew and stuff like that. Then there's a rubber toy. This month it's a snowman. Oh, and then it has a spot to put in treats and stuff like that. So this is super chewy and also has little nubs and things like that. So in this box we have the snowman rubber, we have the ornament nylon, duck sausage treats, sheriff badges. They're so cute. And then the Star Bites. All right, so let's get into the January box and see what that brings. All right, so inside there is your insert on the top with the featured toys on the back. I think he's so cute. All right. All right, so I love, like, look how it changed. So this month it's all blue, like January snowflakes, blue, you know. So first off, oh, this is cute. Bullymake igloo blocks. So these are little block-shaped treats. These have salmon, canola oil, smoke flavor, just all. And then, like, the flowers are all the ones that are good for dogs with sensitivities, like pea protein, potato flour, potato starch. Nothing with, I guess, gluten, I'm guessing. And then on the back, again, crude analysis. This is a 4.5 ounce bag. Then we have little polar bites. This is also a 4.5 ounce bag. This has beef, pork, gelatin, smoke flavor, just stuff like that. And see, it's blue there. Oh, matchy. I like it a lot. Cutest thing. Finally is our beef sickles. This is a 3.75 ounce bag. These are like little bites, like I want to say like rolled up pieces of beef. So this does have beef, rosemary extract, and preserved with mixed tocopherols, which I think is like vitamin E. All right, then we get down to the brass tacks of the toys. So first we have a rubber penguin. This is super cute, and it does have a hole where you put a treat. So I like him a lot, actually. He's cute. And then we have a polar bear. So this is our nylon toy. Does have, again, ridges all over and things like that. Something I do find interesting, I know these are dog treats. If I used to open a bag up, do you remember that? I would open them and then give that bag like to a neighbor if they had, or somebody I knew that I didn't feel weird. Like you can't donate an open bag of treats to, like, you know what I mean? So I would open them. However, the kitten would try to eat them. So Bullymake did come out also with a cat box. It's called Skip and Scamper. I'm actually going to try to review that one for you guys because I think that would be a lot of fun. But anyway, so in this box, again, we got the penguin toy, the nylon toy of the polar bear, the beef sickles, the polar bites, and the igloo bites. Super cute. Can't wait to see what February brings. I'm sure it's going to be Valentine's themed. As always, check out the Bullymake link down below. Check out my full review. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.